Imagine a spaceship so advanced, it makes your smart fridge look like a rock. Welcome to the Axiom from Wall-E, a floating city in space run by AI, robots, and vending machines with attitude. But could we actually build it? NASA's working on artificial gravity, and long-term space habitats like O'Neill's cylinders are real concepts. Food from machines? Already here. 3D printed pizza and lab-grown burgers. As for bone loss and zero gravity, astronauts lose 1% a month. So, yeah, the blob life checks out. And an AI running the ship? Let's just say if Siri and ChatGPT had a baby, we're halfway there. But here's the twist. The real danger isn't the tech, it's comfort. When everything's done for us, evolution hits pause, our minds grow sharper, our bodies forget how to walk, and then,